Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another 1 minute scalping strategy on Trade Now channel. And for this strategy, we are back with another moving average together with a house sweep indicator strategy. And honestly, this is one of the most unique strategies that I've ever tested and used, and I checked it all out, and honestly it brings amazing results, and you only need 2 indicators and it's very easy to use. So before we start this video, if you guys appreciate my effort in putting out these videos for free, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and honestly it helps me out if you guys want to leave a comment on what you think I can improve on. So let's head right into this video. So first up, we're gonna be bringing in the indicators that we'll be using. So first up will be your house sweep. So search up house sweep, you see this under the community scripts by InSilico. Click this, you want to change it to 60 for the length, and you want to change the length multiplier to 3. So that is your first indicator. Next up, you'll be going to your top indicator. So go to community scripts, click top, you'll see this CM ultimate underscore MA. So you can also search up through the search thing, doesn't really matter, and what you see is you see this. So you can see that it gets a little bit confusing, you don't know which is which, but honestly it doesn't really matter which is which because you only want to look for 2 confluences. So I'm going to bring in how you're going to take your positions and how you're going to take your short positions as well. So first up, since we're trading on a 1 minute time frame, I would like to introduce to you guys a special tool, so which is this FedEx exchange. So as you guys can see, I've taken a lot of positions on there. You can see that a few losses, big losses, and a lot of small wins here. And honestly, I would like to recommend this platform for a lot of people who are trading crypto or anything, because the fees are very low. It's only 0.019% if you choose to sign up with my link in the description box below. And especially when you're trading on a 1 minute chart, it is very important. So check the link out, and yeah, let's continue with the video. So for the rules of the long position, it is super duper simple. So you just want the moving averages to cross the house sweep, and both must be green in color. So what do I mean by that? So look right here, we have the crossover of the moving average here above, and we both are green in color, so that is a bullish signal to go long. So you want to enter where the crossover happens. Stop loss, you want to put it right below the recent swing low, which is right here, and you take a 1.5:1. So as you can see, when straight up, it just helps you to tell where the trend is going. So here we have the crossover of the moving averages, but however, since one is red and one is green, we want to ignore that signal. You only want to enter a long position when it is to get it, and it is right here. You can see that it is green and green in color. So right here we have the same thing, we have the crossover again, but we see that here it is red in color, so that is not a valid signal. But we have the crossover right here, where we have the green crossover over the green crossover. So in both is green in cross and it crosses over, so that is our signal to go long, which is right on this candle right here. Right, the thing is, so you want to put your, you have a 1.5:1 stop loss, you put it right below the swing low, which is right here. You can see the swing low is where the previous pullback is, so it's right there, and you have a 1.5:1. So valid signal again. So let's look for another position. So here we have another position. You see that green is crossing over the green, so we're going to enter a position right there. Stop loss right below the swing low right here, and we take a 1.5:1. So valid position, and as you can see, went straight up to our target, and we are just trying to use the moving average technique to try to scalp out the small moves and try to take advantage of the momentum and the trend. Because as you guys know, when you're trading with the trend, a lot of the times you have a higher win rate than normal, rather than you trade against the trend. So next up, I'm going to teach you guys how to enter short positions. It's basically exactly the same, but instead you just flip everything around. So for the moving averages, you want them to cross below each other, and the moving averages must be red in color, which is right here. You see that we have the crossover of the red below the red, both are red in color, and we have the crossover, so that's a valid signal right there. Put your stop loss right above the recent swing high, and we take a 1.5:1. There's an amazing signal right there. Here we have the crossover, but since it's green, this is not valid, and here we have another signal of the crossover right here. So we're going to take that signal right here and enter on this candle right here. Stop loss right below, right above the recent swing high, and you take a 1.5:1. So basically got caught right exactly where the position is. We almost got stopped out, but managed to scalp that out. So another winning position. Right here we have another winning position here. You see that we have the recent and a crossover on this candle right here. If you don't know where to put it, you can just put it above the recent wick, which is right here. If it's all great candles, and take a 1.5:1. So again, a very sort of lucky trade. Just got out at the bottom and then it ran back up. So honestly, here we have another one more position. You can see that we're just following the down momentum. If you don't know where to put it, you can just put it above the recent wick right there, and you take a 1.5:1. So another winning position. So as guys can see, it's a very favorable position, and honestly it is something that me myself is quite surprised. You see that this works for even the most recent data. Here is the most recent data. You have the crossover right here. I'm not put it right on the crossover, which is on this candle here. Stop loss right above the recent swing high, and take a 1.5:1. So me myself, I'm actually quite shocked at how amazing this strategy works. I'm not even cherry picking data. I'm just going through all the positions that I find right here, and it is even the most recent data on the 7th of December. So I'm trading on the day that this video is released to show you guys that the data is all up to date and everything is real. So honestly, one of my most favorite strategies, and honestly surprises me a lot. And if you guys want to check out the strategy, you might want to try out the crypto exchange below. Just deposit $100, see how it works, and let me know in the comment section if you guys manage to be profitable with this. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and to check out my other videos in my YouTube channel as well. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye guys.